Hello friends! Welcome to Mom and Me Fun Factory!
Today we will see racing vehicles. Racing vehicles go very fast. Racing vehicles are exciting.
Yay!
This is a race car. Race car is red. Race car goes vroom vroom.
Yay!
This is a Formula 1 car. Formula 1 car is very fast. Formula 1 car zooms on the track.
Yay!
Are you having fun?
Yes!
Clap your hands with us.
This is a rally car. Rally car goes over hills. Rally car goes vroom vroom.
Yay!
This is a motorcycle. Motorcycle has two wheels. Motorcycle goes brum brum.
Yay!
This is a go-kart. Go-kart is small and quick. Go-kart goes zoom zoom.
Yay!
Racing vehicles are amazing. Racing vehicles go super fast. Let us see the racing vehicles again.
Yay!
Race car. Formula 1 car. Rally car. Motorcycle. Go-kart. Let us clap for racing vehicles. Clap, clap, clap.
Learning is fun! Thank you for watching! See you again at Mom and Me Fun Factory!